I feel this is quite achieved by attending to this program. And in goal part also, I feel that it is important to, for me, focus on goal was not there. When in office also, when we sit with our RAs to decide on our goals, it is more of a one-way thing. In my case, it is more of a RA who tells me, okay, these things you have to do. Now I know that I have a goal. I can tell him that this is all I want to do. I wish to be at this level in my career. So that's way it has helped me a lot.
I need to say something. There's a marked change in from what you did and what you're saying now. From what you did in the presentation and the way you're talking about your own desires, there's such a sea change, which is fantastic. I mean, visually, you're actually doing it very good, very good. Keep it up.
Thank you.
First of all, thanks to everyone who's present here, because without your cooperation, we wouldn't have been able to give the best that we could. And thanks, Sachin, for your thing. What I gained from here is, one was, whenever we are working in a group, I was never, I am a very extrovert or an outward, what do you use the word? Extrovert type of a person who just wants to give. But then when we were presenting, I never realized that I had to take my group team along. And that was one thing which, it was there at the back of the mind, and we had done it during college days. So we don't, carry those values all the time. You keep it behind, and because you're in business, you keep running. So that was one thing which I got to learn. Moreover, the second thing that I learned was the different abilities in a person. Like sometimes people are childish, sometimes people are adult, though they are of your age, but then they have that thing. They have many things that are carrying back in their mind, and when given in a situation, they have already crossed through many of their personal things, and they've come in front of you, and while you're discussing, there would be something which is not coming out in a perfect way. So that was obviously, again, that was there in the back of the mind, but it, like you said, that you had to clear something, and then it has to come up. So that was one thing which I learned. And the goal thing, I don't want to comment on that. Thank you so much. Everybody answering.
When we did the one-to-one, you told me you were more of a behavioral coach and you were observing people, which is what I noticed the first thing about you when the first meet. Being a coach, you were very silent, very dominant, you were observing everybody around, you were not interacting with everybody that much, and you were just seeing what ability which person had. And when I spoke to you in the one-to-one, when I understood, when I told you my problems, you suggested this course, and I think it's given me a very clear vision of what I should be doing as a leader. Then what I was thinking was that it's not me, it's them. It's rather me than it's them. So that's the thing. And thank you. I really appreciate that.
Yeah, now this is your.
The way he is today, and this is the first seminar, in fact, which I have attended. But it was really an eye-opener. And I have got my own computer classes. But the way he has projected, or he has put an insight into how I should carry myself more, overcome my weaknesses, or improve on my qualities, it's amazing. I am more impressed by him more than this seminar.
The Vivek used to tell me about you regarding coaching which you have done to him. So I think I am the first person to tell you also that I am going to join whenever you are going to do. And for the subordinates also, I have already told you if you are doing, many people are there.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
मैं वो खाली एक पिक्चर का डायलॉग बोलना चाहता हूँ जो 3 Idiots में था। आमिर खान बोलता है कि आज जाएंगे, ऐसे किसी को लगा कि इधर आके कुछ नया सीखने के लिए मिलेगा, एंड दैट इज द कोचिंग, दैट इज द टीचिंग। ये इधर आने को मुझे पता था कि इफ आई कम टू दिस पर्टिकुलर लीडरशिप प्रोग्राम डेफिनेटली कुछ सीखने के लिए मिलेगा। So that's why I attended this program and I got it.
This is correlation, ये यूज होता है पर्सनल लाइफ में।
ट्रेनिंग फ्रेंड्स, एक्चुअली मैं बहुत पहले सोच रही थी मुझे कोई ऐसा ट्रेनर मिले या कोई ऐसा लीडर मिले जो मुझे मेरी कमियां जो है वो निकाल के दिखाए। तो शायद इस प्रोग्राम से मुझे ये पता चला कि वेयर आई एम सेंट्रलाइज्ड और मुझे कहाँ ज्यादा बेहतरीन से काम करना चाहिए और किस लेवल पे अभी मैं हूँ और किस लेवल तक मुझे पहुंचना है। So I'm thinking that I was here, but I think that by this program I will be here.